we are working with the current policies, and also just give some feedback concerning the consolidated policy manual and some sections that might be updated or we think that is currently ambiguous. So one of the policies that was recently ratified has been already been incorporated in the current policy manual, but the actual implementation is still ongoing and it has not been completed yet. So this is about the IPv6 PI update. We have another V6 related policy that was recently ratified. It has not been implemented yet, so we are still working on that. And it has not also been incorporated in the current policy manual. So this will be done soon and it's going to start soon. About the recently previously ratified policy that was implemented, the lame delegations, this has been implemented already, but it's not 100% because the deletion has not started. We do have the lame checker tool and the statistics available on the website in case you want to check it. And one of the reasons why we have not actually started with a deletion, as you will see, the statistics last year at AIS 18 was that around 19,000 lame delegations were present for 530 resource members. And as of now, there has been a very slow decrease in the number of lame delegations. And also the number of resource members that are still being impacted is above 400. So this is one of the reasons why we have not actually started with a deletion. Some of the feedback that was previously shared with the community, and we again are pointing it out, is that the CPM still has sections that are contradictory, and people might be confused or might take it as ambiguous, because as you might see, in some of the sections, we still mention 80% utilization in policies that were previously applicable before the soft landing phase 1, and also concerning the PI, where 1 year growth is still being mentioned. From our side, we consider the 5.4.6.1 as superseding every other sections of the policy, because the soft landing phase 2 is the one that we're currently looking at. But we still request the community, if you want to go through the CPM again and check if those sections needs to be removed or updated. So we'll be happy to give feedback as and when you require on that. Also, so this also goes about the 90% utilization and the /24, where we have cases, for example, an end user using a very small portion of the /24 that has been given to them. So when they come back for more resources to Afrinic, we ask for the 90% utilization. But the issue that is faced by the member is that they are not able to show 90% effective utilization of that prefix. And as you would already know, /24 is the minimum that we can issue to someone. And if they have plans for a second data center or a secondary site, a DR site, they cannot be eligible for more. So right now, some of members are currently being impacted by this. We also have one challenge regarding the intra-RIO transfers. So right now, we do have members who want to transfer IPv6 and ASNs. This is being catered by cases for mergers and acquisitions, but we do not approve for V4 only based on the policy. So, for example, if someone comes to Afrinic and says they want to transfer an ASN or IPv6, but they are not part of a merger or an acquisition, so we have to go through the current IPv4 transfer policy. So it limits them and they cannot actually go for a transfer of V6 or ASN. We would request the community to advise if all transfers should be catered as per the current policy, so merging the M&As, mergers and acquisitions as part of the policy, or should we still maintain it as separate? We also have one section of the CPM where the suballocation window is mentioned as 12 months. So we as hostmasters are still maintaining the 12 months, even if soft landing mentions the needs projection for 8 months. So until there is a change in the policy, the SOR will still be maintained for a 12-month period. We also want to point out that during the phase 2 of the soft landing, the minimum allocation size will go to a /24. And as per other sections of the CPM, the 5.5.1.2.1, the minimum allocation size is a /22. So going into phase 2, this section will be obsolete and will consider only the CPM as the one that will be authoritative, so meaning an allocation size will have a minimum size of a /24. Thank you very much. If you have any questions.
Okay. Any questions for Kirsten?
And also, the presentation is also updated on the website. So in case you want to go through it and you have more questions even later during the session, you can just come to me or to Madhvi, to any of the MS team. We'll be happy to help you if you don't have any questions at this point of time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kirsten.